think he's in shock.
Cross on your busted leg.
Your father hit you because of me.
It's all right, darling. We'll call it even when I pop Volvo here, eh?
You want to kill him, huh? You want to kill him? I don't believe this. When I look deep in your eyes, I can see that you follow your brother, but you're not like him. You do not even look like him.
Well, we got different mothers.
You see, I'm right. You're different than him. Where is your mom now?
She's gone. Bobby says women are only good for getting fucked. Then they eventually try and fuck you, so I guess he was finished with her.
No. Poppy's wrong.
No.
Poppy's wrong.
No.
Maybe your mom loves you. Maybe she wants to be with you.
Shut up! And she fucking come in here telling me what's what? You so fucking partying now!